Hello everyone, this is Alex. Today we're replacing a hub assembly in a 2005 Scion XB. This is how it looks. For right now I'm trying to get the drum off. It got stuck, frozen, rusted and all of those good things. So anyway, just keep watching. It should be a pretty simple process. We'll see how it's gonna go. So I took the drum off, which took me, maybe 5-10 minutes. Got stuck, so I sprayed this lubricant to loosen it a little bit, and then just played around with a hammer and a screwdriver, and eventually it got unstuck. So looks like the next step is I have a wheel sensor connection, this one right here, and I also have 4 bolts that are holding the hub assembly and 2 more on the bottom. We're just gonna do the sensor first and then the 4 bolts second, and the hub assembly should come out. So I got the 3 bolts off, I got the wheel sensor off right there. So last bolt, there you go. See if it's gonna come out. I hope it will. There you go, the whole thing came. Yep, that's how it works. Just 4 bolts and a sensor and it comes out. This is the old one. Here's the new one. Let's see, it looks exactly the same. Oh, hold on, like this. Yeah, looks like they match. Wow, so guys, anybody can do this. Take off the wheel, take off the drum, and then this sensor comes out, and you have 4 bolts holding this hub assembly, and the installation is vice versa. 4 bolts, sensor, put the drum on, and put the wheel on. So pretty simple. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please put the thumbs up.